Hello, welcome to one more video. We are now in Osjek, Ilidza. We have one land for sale with a really amazing view. Like you can see all Sarajevo view. 850 square meter for sale in Ilidza, Osjek, maybe 10 minutes from the center of Ilidza, 15 minutes from the airport. Like you can see, there is Ilidza and there is the rest of the Sarajevo, whole Sarajevo view, and open view on mountains. There is Sarajevo beach. On another side there is Ikman, asphalt access. Like you can see, here is electricity, water, everything is here. You see neighborhoods. 850 square meter land for sale. Ilidza need to be cleaned a little bit, but all the way it is on the asphalt. Here is electricity. These are neighborhoods. Like you can see, really amazing view. This is land. This is your neighborhood. Land is up to that house, and here is the fence. Where is that electricity? Down to that house, like this, and going up and all the way on this asphalt road, like you can see. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Subscribe for more info.